Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share my quick and easy go-to chicken crock pot recipe for you guys. That's a mouthful. It is really easy. I usually do it at night when I come home from work and I don't have a whole lot of time to cook, and I just throw everything in and that's pretty much it. So I'll just show you guys how I do that. So I try to keep my ingredients pretty simple. First I start off with some coconut oil or extra virgin olive oil just to keep the chicken a little bit tender, not too much, maybe like a tablespoonful. Then I used to buy chicken breasts all the time for my crock pot meals, but now I actually buy chicken thighs. I find that they cook a lot better. They're more tender. They're pretty much falling apart by the time that they're all cooked, so keep that in mind, chicken thighs opposed to chicken breasts. And I think that that will make a huge difference. Next, I'm adding some chicken seasoning. So I have a Goya packet, which is equal to 1 bouillon cube. I'm adding a cup of water. Next, I'm adding some black pepper. Next, a little bit of sea salt. Last, I'm gonna add a little bit of paprika, just for some extra flavor. This I found actually makes a huge difference in the chicken taste. And that is pretty much it. You top it up and you set it to low if you have about 8 hours to kill. Otherwise, set it to high if you want it to be done between 4 to 5 hours. Normally when I cook this overnight, I will put it on low and I'll just turn it off the next morning. But because this needs to be done by dinner time and I'm starting this a little bit later in the day, I'm gonna set it to high. And there you go, we're pretty much done with all the prep. So quick and easy, and I'll come back in a few hours and show you guys how that turned out. Hey guys, so we're later into the evening and the chicken is done. I wanted you guys to see how it turned out. So that's the way that looks, and we like to pair our stuff with rice because my kids and I really like rice. So I'm gonna show you some of the things that we like to mix it with. Some of the things that we like to flavor it with. Usually, sometimes my kids like ketchup, but usually we like to have some type of barbecue sauce, so I kind of like to mix it up. I have this. We were just trying this brand, so we had a couple different ones. Obviously, we liked it, so we're pretty much out, so I had to go to the store and buy a new one. I actually have not tried this brand before, but we really like barbecue sauce, and we're not that picky, so here is what it ends up looking like. It is so soft and juicy, they are just practically falling apart while I try to grab chicken out. So this is why I love the crock pot. It's really simple, easy to make. So that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below if you liked this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye!